Welcome to Laboratoria Airlines. We are glad to have you join us today on our trip from Tampa, Florida to Charlottesville, Virginia. At this time, we ask that all items are stored in the overhead compartments or underneath your seat. We also ask that your seatbelt remains buckled while the seatbelt sign is on. We will be disembarking the ramp in about 5 minutes. We hope you enjoy your trip with our Laboratoria Airlines, and as always, don't hesitate to ask our attendants for any assistance.
So, what brings you to Charlottesville, Virginia?
I'm flying there for the annual Middle School Health Careers Summer Camp to speak to the students about the medical laboratory field.
Medical laboratory? What is that?
A medical laboratorian is a clinical scientist that helps the doctor determine what might be making their patient sick by analyzing samples that the patient collects and are tested in the lab.
Interesting. What kind of samples?
Let me show you. We can test blood, urine, stool samples, and others such as body tissue, body fluids, and even eye fluid.
Wow. That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but we don't do it on our own. We have various instruments that help us analyze these samples. Some are so fast, they can run the test and give us results in less than 10 minutes. This way we can get the results to the doctor as soon as possible so they can better understand what might be making their patient sick and start treating them in a timely manner.
Impressive. It sounds like the work you do is very important in helping the patient.
I agree. The laboratory technologist is a highly trained personnel in analyzing and problem solving to yield the best outcome for you, the patient. We work along with the phlebotomist, who collect the majority of the samples I mentioned earlier, and the laboratory assistants, who prepare the sample for processing before it gets to the technologist for analysis. We work together as a team to make the process as smooth and error-free as possible for the safety of our patients.
Thank you for sharing with me all the work you do. It's truly fascinating to know that there is a whole team working hard to help the patient get well that they don't even get to see.
And we love doing it. I'm happy you were able to learn something new about healthcare today, and I hope my students do as well. Here, let me show you a video of what we get to see in the lab that I think you might find pretty fascinating. This is my favorite thing to do in the lab, getting to look through a microscope. By this tool, we are able to see things no one else can see just by the naked eye. This is what the red cells in your body look like. Pretty cool, don't you think?
Wow, absolutely.